Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by putting the basic prerequisites in place, and then you act. Check the PlayStation app and console firmware for updates. Install them now. Make sure you are signed into the correct PlayStation Network account so clips map to the right profile. Free up at least 500 MB and verify the clip file size. Large uploads stall. Once done, restart the app and retry the upload so you can observe whether the issue was a simple version, account, or storage conflict. Now dig into network and account causes, because uploads often fail when connections or permissions block them. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi band, prefer 5 GHz for speed or 4 GHz for range, and test ping under 50 ms. Log out of the app, clear its cache, and reinstall if corruption is suspected. This refreshes tokens and permissions. Also disable any VPNs, proxies, or aggressive firewall rules on your phone or router, since they can interrupt the PS app handshake and block clip transfers. Finish by using alternate paths and one focused troubleshooting tip so you can recover stalled uploads. If the app still fails, copy the clip back to your console and reshare from Media Gallery. That often bypasses mobile upload limits. Try uploading from another device to determine whether the issue is phone-specific. If nothing works, wait 30 minutes and retry to allow transient server issues to clear. And if the problem persists, gather the clip ID and contact PlayStation support for server-side help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.